Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a fun craft that you can make for someone special in your life. A jeans lunch bag is a perfect way to upcycle an old pair of jeans, and the best part is it's very easy to make and personalize. You'll just need a few basic supplies. The first thing you'll need is the denim jeans you plan to cut up. Just make sure the pant legs are wide enough to fit a lunch inside. To construct the lunch bag, I'll be using a 40 weight polyester thread called Designer. This is a good choice because it's stronger than cotton, so your bag will be more durable. The other thread I'll be using is this 12 weight cotton thread called Spaghetti. It's a thicker than standard cotton thread that I'll be using for the decorative stitching on the bag. If you want the thread to match the thick yellow thread often used on denim jeans, choose colors SP11 Rich Gold or SP21 Caramel. I'll be pairing my spaghetti thread with a DecoBob pre-wound bobbin, which is an 80 weight cottonized polyester. The superfine thread will make it much easier to sew, especially with a thicker thread in the top. A piece of tailor's chalk is helpful to measure out cuts and stitching. The last thing I'll need is a strip of velcro, about 10 to 12 inches long. Cut your pant leg to be about 17 inches long. The top of your bag is going to be the end with the hem. To make a box pleat for the bottom of the bag, mark a 1-inch square on both corners of the bottom using tailor's chalk, then cut them out. This is actually where I like to pause the construction of the bag to do any decorative stitching while both ends of the bag are open. You can see from where the squares are cut where the bottom of your bag will be, so any stitching above that line will be visible. Mark a line to follow where you want your stitching to be. When your fabric is on the machine, it will be scrunched up and difficult to see where you're sewing. Don't forget to put the fabric through the arm of your sewing machine so you don't stitch the hole closed. Using the 12 weight spaghetti in the top and the 80 weight DecoBob in the bobbin, I'm going to choose a few built-in decorative stitches on my machine and sew straight across the width of the bag. When you have finished your decorative stitching, use a needle to pull the heavier thread tails to the inside. Knot the threads and trim. When you're satisfied with how your bag is decorated, we can go on to constructing it. We can attach the velcro now. I'm going to use the spaghetti thread because I want the thread to show as I sew down the edges of the velcro. Cut one each side of velcro about 10 inches long. Find the center of your bag and pin the hooked side of the velcro in place. Now stitch all along the edges to attach it. Then do the same to the looped piece of velcro on the other side of the bag. Now we're going to construct the bag. Turn your bag wrong side out and pin the bottom portions of the fabric together. Sew using the Designer thread. Now pull out the corners on each side, still wrong side out, and pin the fabric together. Then sew them just like you did with the middle. Putting your hand in the corner, pull your fabric right side out, and you've got a bag with a bottom. That's actually all there is to it. These make inexpensive gifts for a family member or a close friend and are a great way to use up an old pair of jeans. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial. And you can hit the subscribe button below for more great hints and tips. We'll see you all next time.